Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting, this will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. The next product we're looking at has to do with German import of different kind of instrument, not machinery, please. German import of different instruments, measuring instruments in particular, 49.9 billion. And I'm not surprised at this. You know why I'm not surprised at this? You know, for a country that does a lot of production, obviously have their universities and educational system with a lot of productivity, doing a lot of practicals, and as a result of that, they definitely need a lot of measuring equipment. They definitely need a lot of measuring equipment, because these measuring equipment are required for the teaching and training of the people. Top on the list of measuring equipment or instrument in Germany is medical instrument. Out of almost $50 billion import of different kind of instrument or measuring instrument in Germany, medical instruments rank as number one, 22.9. As a matter of fact, orthopedics, still related to medical, is 10.8. So totally for medical, totally is about 33.7% of import of Germany are instruments, different kind of measuring instrument, different kind of measuring instrument. Then we have chemical analysis. This is often used, for example, to measure issue around chemical. If you are doing solid minerals and they need to measure the particular element in solid minerals, this is what they use. And this is 9.91%, so about 10%. Chemical analysis instrument. Other measuring instrument, 7.48%. Thermostat, which is used in cars and a number of other equipment. Thermostat, 6.02%. Gas and liquid flow measuring instrument, 4.57%. Optical fiber and optic fiber bundle, 3.67%. Base metal watches, wristwatch, base metal watches, 3.34%. Look at this one now. This is another medical equipment, X-ray equipment, 3.3%. Oscilloscope, 3.3%. LCD, liquid digital display screen, 2.61%. Revolution counter, 3.09%. Therapeutic appliances, 2.63%. Hydrometer, 1.63%. Mirrors and lenses, like the one on my glasses. Mirrors and lenses, 1.59%. Eyewear, that's the frame, 1.34%. Eyewear, 1.34%. Precious metal watches, 1.23%. Surveying equipment, 1.03%. Compass, 0.97%. Eyewear frames, 0.87%. Utility meters, 0.85%. Microscope, 0.73%. Different kind of measuring instrument. Different kind of measuring instrument that you find that German import into their economy.